Hey everyone, the MeLE Cyber X1 is the company's latest fanless mini PC designed to balance ultra-compact portability with dependable everyday performance. Positioned as the successor to the quieter 4C that debuted earlier in 2025, the Cyber X1 does not reinvent the form factor, but instead refines the hardware inside. Despite being small enough to slip into a pocket, it is capable of handling typical daily computing tasks thanks to a carefully chosen combination of efficient components and a clever cooling design. At the core of the Cyber X1 is Intel's N150 processor, a member of the Twin Lake family. This chip represents a small but meaningful step up from the N100, offering smoother multitasking and slightly more processing power for lightweight applications. MeLE has paired the CPU with 16 gigs of LPDDR5 memory, ensuring fast response times when juggling office work, media playback, or web browsing. Unlike the RAM, which is soldered onto the board, the 512 gigs of storage can be upgraded, making the device more flexible for those who want to expand beyond its default capacity. The design of the Cyber X1 follows the same fanless philosophy as previous MeLE systems, with an emphasis on quiet operation and long-term reliability. Its porcupine-shaped heatsink design, paired with a thermally conductive plastic top, helps dissipate heat efficiently while allowing the N150 to maintain a steady 10-watt power draw. This is slightly higher than the quieter 4C's 8-watt envelope, giving the Cyber X1 just a bit more headroom in performance without compromising the silence that fanless PCs are known for. Connectivity is another strong point for such a small device. The Cyber X1 offers a wide selection of ports that rival larger mini PCs. Users get two HDMI 2.0 outputs for dual display setups, a 10 gigabits per second USB-C port, multiple USB-A connections, including a USB 3.2 Gen 2 option, Gigabit Ethernet, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a micro SD card slot for easy external storage expansion. On the wireless side, it supports Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1, which, while not the latest standards, are still more than adequate for everyday wireless tasks. In terms of pricing, the Cyber X1 has been introduced at €299 in the European Union, which converts to roughly $349. While this places it in the mid-range tier for mini PCs, it may appeal to users who value its fanless design, upgradable storage, and pocket-sized convenience. However, availability outside the EU has not yet been confirmed, leaving international customers waiting for further announcements. Overall, the MeLE Cyber X1 is not a dramatic departure from its predecessors, but rather a thoughtful evolution. It takes the proven fanless design of the quieter series and upgrades the internals with a more capable Twin Lake processor, faster memory, and practical connectivity options. For professionals seeking a reliable, silent, and extremely portable system, or for anyone wanting a low-maintenance PC for light workloads, the Cyber X1 makes a compelling case. It may not be a powerhouse, but within its niche, it delivers precisely what it promises: efficiency, silence, and portability in a remarkably small package. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.